welcome back to online classes. Today we are going to see 5th standard mathematics, and in that we are going to see an important term of mathematics. Okay. So before going to start the lecture,
Yes, sir.
okay, before going to start the lecture, I would like to introduce myself first. I am Ramnath Sontakke from Shodi Crossroad, Mumbai Public School. For this online class, I really appreciate, and I would like to say, for this online class, credit goes to our administrative officer, Sri Kailash Chandra Arya Sirji, nodal bit officer, Sri Sharat Kurade Sirji, nodal HM, our HM, Dilip Ambore sir, assistant nodal HM, Mrs. Manpreet Kaur madam, and CNO, Mr. Ratilal Burungule sir. Students, before going to start the class, I would like to say, or I would like to tell today's thought. Students, today's thought is sharing is caring. Do you know what is the meaning of sharing? Can anyone? Sharing means what? Yes, beta, repeat.
Sharing is crying. Crying.
Sharing means crying. No, beta. Sharing means what? If we have something with us, we give that thing to our friends, to our relatives.
Sharing, caring.
Okay. Means if we share with someone, it means we are taking care of that person. Okay. In the way of sharing, we can take the care of other person. Okay. Students, what do you see in this picture?
One boy, two boys, and one girl. One girl is down and drawing.
Okay, two boys are there and one girl is there on the floor who is drawing a picture or who is writing something over there, or she is drawing a picture over there.
Her hand is one ball.
Yeah. In one, okay, one boy is there who is having ball. Okay, students. Yeah. You know that. Just look at the picture here.
There is window that is open.
Okay. Now this name of this boy is what? Rahul. This is Sohel and she is Suhana. Now Rahul is thinking that I have something in my pocket or I have something with me. I would like to do something with these things. So what he did, what he was having with him?
Carrot.
Okay, how many carrots he was having?
3 carrots.
Very good. He was having 3 carrots with him. After that, what he thought that I want to share these carrots with my friends. In this picture, students, can you tell me how many carrots are there?
3 carrots.
Okay, students, tell me, if he is having 3 carrots and if he wants to share these 3 carrots with the friends, how much carrots he can give to his...
carrot she will share with us. He will share.
Very good. What's your name, beta?
Nirvigna.
Nirvigna.
Yes.
Good, very good. So he will share one carrot with the friends. Students, now he shared carrots with the friends. Can you tell me what he has done in this picture?
One boy is 1 carrot, one boy is 1 carrot, one girl is 1.
No correct answer. I am asking that what he has done with the carrots.
He gave carrots to the friends.
Okay, he gave one carrot to his friends. Giving carrots to friends means sharing. Okay. Previously, he had 3 carrots in his hand. Now, what he did? he shared with the friends. Means what he did here? Divided the carrots with the friends. So what do we call to sharing in mathematics?
Divide.
Dividing. Dividing.
Dividing.
Good. Very good. Very good. So students, today we are going to learn about the division
Division.
and the important factors or the terms of the division. Okay. Students, do you know division means what? Division.
Dividing any number
Just
into equal group.
Just a minute, but I'll explain. I'll tell more about division. Division means what? Dividing any number into equal groups. Means if you are having 5 chocolates with you, so what you are going to do with the chocolates? You are going to divide them into the equal groups. Equal
Yes.
groups means what? Make equal parts. Make equal parts of a whole thing or a whole part.
Teachers are like that. My friends are 5. I have 5 friends, and
Good.
in my pocket there are 5 chocolates. I
Good.
will give one chocolate to my friends.
Very good. Excellent, better. Excellent, excellent. Nice example you have given right now. Very nice. He is having 5 chocolates. So what he is going to do with the 5 chocolates? He will distribute the 5 chocolates with the friends. Means each friend will get 1 chocolate. Very nice. Students, so in mathematics, especially in the division, there are 4 important factors of division. The first one is what? Dividend.
Dividend.
Second is what?
Divisor.
Divisor. Third is what? Quotient.
Question.
And fourth is what?
Remainder.
Remainder. Okay. Can anyone read all these factors?
Yes, can I?
Yes. What's your name?
Can I?
Dividend.
There are 4 factors of division. Dividend, divisor, question, remainder.
Okay. Dividend, divisor, quotient, and remainder. So students, we are going to see in details about dividend, divisor, and quotient. So let's go and observe. What is this? This is the example of
Divisor.
division. This is the example of division. Now just listen very carefully. Listen very carefully now. Okay.
Yes.
Whenever I'll ask the question, that time only you answer the question. Students, now here there is an example of division. So what is the division over here? 8 divided by
2.
2.
Okay. So this 2 is what?
Divisor.
Divisor. Divisor.
This 2 is what? Divisor. Okay. And the number which you can see here,
8.
that is what? 8.
Divide.
That is
And
what?
dividend.
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 Okay. So
Yes.
divisor means what? The number that divides. Okay.
That
The
number.
number that divides the any number. Okay. And dividend means what? The number to be divided. Okay. The number to be divided. It's called dividend. After this, we'll see the next. What is the next term of the division? Now we are familiar with the divisor. We are familiar with the dividend. Now we are going to see
Question.
whom. Yes. Just wait. Whom we call quotient. Quotient means what? Whatever the whole number which we are getting after carrying out division, that is what? Quotient. Okay. So which is the question over here?
4.
4.
4. Okay. So quotient means what? The answer which we get after dividing the number. Means whatever the answer we are getting after carrying out the division, that is what? What do we call to it? It is a
With question.
Question.
quotient. So how many terms you are knowing now? Quotient,
Return.
dividend, and
Return.
divisor.
Divided.
Advisor.
Yes. Now we'll see the fourth term of division.
Yes.
Teacher, sir.
Divisor, divided, question, remainder.
Reminder.
Okay. Remainder, beta. It is not reminder.
Remainder.
Reminder is different word. Huh? So remainder means what? Whatever the things which are balanced after dividing to any number, whatever the number is remained with us, or whatever the thing remained with us after dividing, okay, equally. That is what? Remainder. So remainder means what? The number that remains after dividing. Means when you carry out division, that time whatever the number which is remains, that is what?
Remainder.
Remainder. Excellent.
Remainder.
Very good. Excellent. After this, we'll see in details about this example. Okay, we are going to see the terms of the division. Okay, one by one. I'll ask the question to you. You answer the question. What do we call to this? What is this?
Question. Can I, Shamika?
Sir,
Yes,
can I
Shamika.
repeat now?
Shamika.
Question.
Question. What is the question here?
9.
Very good. Now, what is this?
Sir, can I Nirvigna?
Nirvigna. Yes, beta.
Divisor. Sir.
Division? No, beta. It is not
Divisor.
division.
Divisor.
Divisor. Shamika answered correctly. Very good. It is a divisor. And what do we call to this number?
Dividend.
And what is the dividend over here?
Dividend. Dividend.
54. Excellent. 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 Very nice. And what is the remainder here?
0.
0. So we are knowing 4 terms of division: quotient, dividend, remainder, and divisor. Okay. Now, next to this, we'll see one more example, and in that, we'll see the table, because whenever we carry out the division, that time we should know the table. If we are good at tables, definitely you can carry out divisions very fast. Okay, you will not get any difficulty over there. Now, what is this, beta? Can anybody say?
7 table.
It is 7 times table. It is what? 7 times table.
Table.
Okay. So students, what is the dividend here?
30.
30. And what is the divisor here?
7.
7. It means that this is the 30 divided by 7. What is
7.
this?
30 divided by 7.
30 divided by 7. So this is the proper reading of this division. Okay. First you read this number, then this one, and then this one. 30 divided by
7.
7. Student, you can see this example. In this example, when we divide 30 by 7, which is the number in the 7 times table which is near to 30? Or you can say less than 30. Which one?
730.
Which is the number in the 7 times table which is near to 30?
7 4 are 20, 28.
Excellent. 7 4 are 28. 28 is less than 30 also, and 28 comes in the table of 7. So you can
7.
easily divide this 30 by 7. 7 4 are 28. So what is the remainder?
2. 0 2.
2. Excellent. Now we'll go on next. Now one more division is there. Now students, remember one thing. We are going to identify. Okay. What we are going to identify? Tell me. What do we call this?
606.
Okay, this is the 606. But what do we call in
8
division?
8 division.
No, I'm asking about the terms of the division. What do we call to this? What is it?
6.
No, this is called quotient.
Yes,
What is
question.
it?
Question.
Quotient. What do we call to this?
Question.
Divisor.
Divisor. Divisor.
Divisor. Okay, it is what?
Divisor.
Divisor. Okay. What about this?
Divide.
Divided. Divided.
Divided.
Dividend.
Dividend.
Okay. Okay, this is what? Dividend. And what about this?
Reminder.
Reminder.
Not reminder. It is a remainder. Okay, remainder. Okay, after this, we'll see one more example. You only tell. What do we call to this?
Question.
Question.
Good. This one?
Divider. Divisor. Divisor.
Divisor. Very nice. What about this?
Dividend.
Dividend.
Dividend. Excellent. What about this?
Remainder.
Remainder. And tell me, students, what do you see here?
8 times table.
Very good. 8 times table. Very nice. Excellent. Now, after this, we are going to see one more example. You only tell now. What is it?
Remainder.
Excellent. This one?
Dividend.
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 Okay.
Dividend.
This one?
Revisor.
Divisor.
Revisor.
And what about this?
Question.
Question. Can anybody read this example, beta?
432.
Read this example.
Sir,
Yes.
Nirvigna.
Yes, Nirvigna.
4 divide by 128.
Wrong. Any other?
432 is a
No.
120.
I'm asking how to read. It is what? 128 divided by
4.
4. Don't read like this. 4 divided by 128. What is the proper reading of this division?
128 divided by 4.
Very good. Excellent. So remember this. Huh? I will ask in the next lecture how to read these. Now students,
Yes, sir.
Nirvigna, read the example.
609 divide 3.
Very good. No. I'm asking about the question, beta.
Can I read, Shamika?
Shamika, beta, read the question.
609 divided by 3, which is the dividend and divisor respectively.
Respectively. Okay. Means what they are asking to you, they are asking identify dividend and divisor in these 4 examples. Okay. So I'll ask one by one. Which is the dividend here?
609.
Okay. And what is the divisor here?
3.
Good. Very good. Now students, tell me about this. Just a minute. Tell me about the second one. Which is the dividend here?
203 divide 3.
3.
Okay. Third one.
328 divide 8.
What is that? What is the 328? It is the
Dividend.
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 What about this?
Divisor.
Divisor.
Yes, Shamika, read this example and tell me the dividend and divisor.
609 divide 3.
Divided by 3. Okay, divided by
Divided by 3.
Okay, what is the dividend here?
Divisor 609.
Okay, and what about the divisor?
3.
3.
Very good, very good, excellent. Now we'll go and see the next one. Now read the example and tell me.
4,500 divide 50, which is the dividend and divisor respectively.
Okay, respectively. Now here is an example, that is 4,500 divided by 50. Here you need to again identify which is the dividend and which is the divisor. So students, tell me which is the dividend here
4,500.
is
Dividend.
dividend.
Dividend
And what about the divisor?
50.
50.
Very good, excellent, excellent. Now I'll ask to Shamika. Shamika, see the
Yes, sir.
fourth one example. What is the fourth one example?
5.
And huh?
545.
No, beta. Comma is there
5,000.
after 5. Comma is there after 5.
5.
Beta, comma is there after 5. So these two numbers are different.
5,450.
No.
No. Sir,
This
can
is
I?
only 5 and this is what? 45.
5.
So tell me student, which is the dividend here
45.
45.
and what is the divisor here?
5.
5.
5. Okay, but beta, remember one thing, we can divide 5 by 45 also, but answer will come or the question will come in decimal point. So that lesson we'll see in next lecture. After this, Nirvigna, read the question beta.
928 divided by 20 is equal dash. In this, what is remainder? Question respectively.
Okay. What they are asking, there is an example that is 928 divided by 20. Okay, this is the division. And they are asking to carry out this division and find out which is the remainder as well as which is the quotient here. So students will carry out the, what we will carry out? We'll carry out this division 928 divided by 20. Now, can I divide this 9 by 20? No, because 9 is smaller than 20. So I will take these two digits. So which number I have got here?
92.
92. So
92.
tell me student, in the table of 20, which is the number which is near to 92? 21 are 20.
22 is a 40.
Good.
Is a 60.
Okay.
80.
Okay.
100.
Tell me beta,
100.
which is the number in the table of 20 which is near to 92?
80.
80. Okay, very good, very good. So when it is coming? 20 4 20 4 what?
80.
80. Now subtract. Carry out the subtraction.
Subtraction.
Tell me 2 minus 0 what comes?
2.
Very good. Very good. 9 minus 8?
1.
Excellent. Now, which is the number which is remaining in the dividend?
12.
12.
No. Here.
8.
So that 8 I will take down and I
8.
will write just next to 12.
8.
So which number I have got here?
128.
Good. Now again we have to divide this 128 by what? By 20. Now in the table of 20, now you can see 25 100 is there. 26 how much?
120.
120.
Is it near to 128?
No. 120.
Is it near to 128?
120.
Yes, na? So 26 is how much?
26 or 120.
Very good. Now carry out the subtraction. 8 minus 0.
8.
Okay. 2 minus 2.
0.
1 minus 1.
0.
Students, tell me which is the dividend here.
8.
20.
Dividend.
980.
928.
28.
Okay. Now what they are asking to find out remainder and question. So what is the
Question.
remainder here?
Question.
008.
Only 8, not 008. What you have to say?
Only
Only 8.
8.
And what is the question here?
46.
So which
46.
option is correct? First one, second one, third one, or fourth one?
46. 8.
Very
First
good.
one.
First
First.
one is correct answer. Now next to this. Again what they are asking?
918.
918 divided by?
What is the question?
What you have to find out?
Question.
918. 9.
What you need to find out? Question.
Question.
Now, student, you should know 9 times table.
9
Then
1
only
9, 9 2 18, 9 3 20.
Good.
7, 9 4 20. 32,
Yes.
36, 45,
Again, 54 again. Come on.
50, 50, 63.
Okay. Okay, I have written like this.
81, sir.
81.
Yeah. 9 9s are 81. So students, which is the number which is near to 91?
81.
So 9 9s are
81.
1.
carry out subtraction. 1 minus 1.
0.
Excellent. 9 minus 8.
1.
1.
Excellent. And what is
And-
remained here?
108.
Okay, 8 is
100.
there. So I'll write this 8, which is remain in the dividend just next to 10. So I have got here 108.
8.
In the table of 9, which is the number you can see
One.
in the table of 9, which is near to 108?
100. 81.
It is what? 9 9s again. What is
Yes.
there?
9 9, sir.
Just sorry, beta. I'll correct it, beta. I'll correct it. Just wait. Okay, yes. We'll continue it. 918 divided by what? What is there?
9.
Okay. Let me select this. Okay. So 918. First you have to divide this 9. Okay. Because 9 is just near to 9. So 9 ones are?
9 1 9.
So 9 minus 9, what will come?
0.
0. So write this 1 here. Can I divide this 1 by 9? No, because 1 is less than 9. So 9 zeros are
0.
0. Okay. Now 1 minus 0,
1.
it is what? 1.
1.
And what about this 8? Write this 8 next to this 1. Okay. Now in the table of 9, when does come 18? 9
9 1
twos are
9 2
9.
18.
Okay. Now tell me students, what is the question here?
102.
So which option is our correct?
102.
102.
This third one. Okay, now next to this, again we'll carry out one more division here, but I need your answers. Now, what is the division? Who will read this? Shamika, read the division.
625 divide 20.
Divided by
divided
25.
by 25.
Now,
Which
tell
is
me the
the
25 times table.
25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 50, and 25 is
Good, good, very good, very good. Now tell me, in 25 times table, which is the number near to the 62?
75,
No, no, near, less than 62, less than 62.
50,
Okay, when it is coming?
5, 0,
25 ones are 25, 25 twos are
50,
good, 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 good. So 25 twos are 50.
minus
Now 2 minus 0,
2,
6 minus 5,
1,
and write this 5 here.
5,
Now divide this 125 by 25. When 25 is coming in 25 times table, 5 are, right?
5,
So I can say 25 5s are 125.
125,
5 minus 5,
0,
2 minus 2,
0,
1
1
minus 1.
1, 0,
Students, tell me what is the dividend in this question?
3,
I am asking about dividend.
dividend of 50,
Again, you're getting confusion. I am asking about dividend.
625,
Very good. 625 is the
right
dividend. Okay.
answer.
Now next to this,
Yes.
in this question, what is the question? They are asking you to find out the question. Okay.
510 divide
Uh,
7.
divided by
17.
7. Now,
17.
okay,
1
7
7.
divided with 51. 7 sevens are how much?
7 7 1 7 7 2 14. 7 3 21. 7 4 28. 41.
Sorry, okay, it is 17, huh, beta? It is 17.
7
In the
7.
table of 17. Okay,
Oh.
which number is there which is near to 51? Come on.
7 1 7 7 2
17 1 the 17, 17 to the
7 2
34.
34. 17 3 51.
Okay, wait. Now we have got
Three.
here 51.
3 17
Okay.
3
17 3s are
51.
51 minus 51, what will come?
0.
Now take this 0 here. Now students, remember, when such type of question comes and when you take 0 from dividend here downside, you have to divide. Tell me students, in the table of 17, is there 0? Is there 0?
क्योंकि 17 के टेबल में है ना 51 इसके लिए.
No, I'm asking about the 0. Is there 0 in the 17 times table?
क्योंकि
Yes.
0 नीचे आ गया.
No, I took this 0 downside, but I'm asking that
17 3 are 51.
17 zeros are how much?
17.
No, 17 ones are 17, but 17
Zero.
zeros are 0. So you have to take 0 here in the question after these 3. Okay, and write here 0. Carry out subtraction. What is the remainder?
0.
Now tell me,
Zero.
children, what is the question here in this question?
0 versus 0.
So which is
30.
the correct option here?
30. Second number.
Okay, here second, but from first it is third number. Okay, so 30 is our question. Now next to this, what is the division here?
357 divided by 21.
357 divided by 21.
In this question,
21.
beta, in this question, what is
Which
the
is
divisor?
the divisor?
Which is the divisor here? Tell me.
35 divisor 21.
I am asking about divisor. Which is the divisor here? This one or this one?
21.
57.
21. 21 is the divisor. So which option is correct?
Third.
Third one is our correct answer. Now in this, what is the question here? Okay, we'll carry out the division. 364
Divide
by
40.
14. Now students, tell me, in the table of 14, which is the number which comes in the table of 14, which is near to 36? 14 ones are 14. 14 to the
112.
no. First divide to 36.
14 ones are 14. 14 to the
Come on.
28. 14
Okay,
threes are
just wait.
42. 42.
I'm asking, what I'm asking, which is the number
28.
which is near to 36?
28.
Okay, when 28 is coming?
28.
14 to the
14 to the 28.
carry
Minus?
out subtraction. 6 minus 8, we cannot subtract 8 from 6. So I'll
No.
borrow from these 3.
Right.
Okay, so 16.
I'll
16 minus 8, 8.
8.
And what was remained here? 2. 2 minus 2,
0.
take
And
this
then
4 down.
4.
Now 84 is there. Now tell me, 14 times table.
34.
Yes.
Yeah.
Which is the
Yes.
number? Beta. Beta, mute your mic. Mute your mic.
Yes.
Beta, tell me 14 6 are how much?
14 6.
Yes.
46.
It is
84.
84. So what will come here? 6.
6.
14 6 are 84. 4 minus 4 0. 8 minus 8 0. Students, tell me what is the question here?
26.
26. So which is our correct answer? First option, second option, or third or fourth?
First.
First. Okay. Now students, did you understand how to carry out division?
Yes. Yes.
Do you know? Okay, tell me. Let me ask you question. Better. Just wait.
Yes, sir.
What are the 4 terms of division?
Dividend, divisor, remainder, question.
Question. Very good.
Yes, sir.
Question, divisor, dividend,
Dividend
and
and remainder.
Okay. So beta, remember these 4 terms in mathematics. Now, I am going to give you some homework at your for you people, which you can solve at your home. Okay.
Okay,
You have to solve this for only one time. But you have to mention. Just listen instructions, beta. When you will solve this homework, that time what you have to do? Write the first example of division.
Okay, sir.
Solve it. After solving, write down which is the question, which is the dividend, which is the divisor, and which is the remainder.
Remainder. Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay,
Did
sir.
you understand all things?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good, good. So thank you, students.
Thank you, sir.